this lesson, we're going to talk about the appointment scheduler and how to make appointments, move appointments, delete appointments, and view all your appointments. So when we log into Visions, the first screen we'll see will be the home screen. And as you can see here, you'll see two boxes that particularly address appointments. One is today's appointments, and the other is future appointments. So today's appointments is exactly what it says. It'll show you the appointments that you have for today for every doctor you have in the system. Future appointments will show all the future appointments. These are scrollable boxes, so if you have a number of appointments set up, you can scroll through them to find the appointment that you want to address. In our case, we're just going to click on me here because I have an appointment for today, which will open my patient record up. I can go right to scheduling on the top here, and here you'll see for the 14th, which is today's date, we have 3 appointments scheduled. If you hover the mouse over each one, you'll see the details of that particular appointment. You'll also see that they're color-coded too, and you can define as many colors as you like and as many different types of appointments as you like. So you'll see that these are different types of appointments with different color codes. This is the month view for the appointment scheduler. The month view is very convenient because you can see all your appointments for the entire month. The other very convenient property of the month view is that if a patient calls and wishes to change dates of their appointment, you simply can drag and drop to another date to affect that change. So it's that simple. You don't have to open the patient, you don't have to look for anything. Just hover your mouse, make sure you have the right patient there, drag and drop them to whatever date you like. Across the top, you'll see all your member doctors that have appointments scheduled, and simply by clicking on that doctor's name, you will get their appointments to show up here. In addition to the month view, we can also go to the week view. The week view will show you every day of the week, starting with Monday and going all the way across till Sunday. Appointments can be made for any time, any hour of any day. There's no restrictions. In addition to that, and we won't go over this now, but we'll have another video with this, is how to block appointments, how to block off days, times, so that appointments aren't scheduled at the wrong times or the wrong days. And of course, then there's the day view, which again just shows the same 3 appointments with the same features where you can hover over the appointment and see the details for that appointment. Lastly, there's something called a call sheet. Call sheet is used to verify appointments and their insurance coverage. So 2 or 3 days before the appointments are due to come in, a call sheet should be either printed or viewed, and here you'll see specifics for this appointment and be able to verify their insurance and their availability. So let's go back to the month view again. Patient calls, says they want to make an appointment for October 14th, and there's 2 ways we can do this. The first is we can click on the little asterisk. So if we click on the asterisk, it'll bring us to the 14th, that particular day view, and then we can click on the time or the closest time to that appointment to create an appointment. In addition to that, when we go back to the month view, you can click on the day, the number of the day, so the 14th, and that will bring up the appointment scheduling window. Now here, as you see, the same colors are displayed for the patient appointments for those particular days, so times rather. So you'll be able to see where there are appointments scheduled already. So if you want to schedule an appointment, you can pick a time that is in white, and then we can modify that if you need to go with something that's not exactly what it says here. So let's first search for a patient. We can search for a patient in the patient database already, and we'll make this for Ron Anderson. So we'll select Ron. You can also add a new patient if you like, just by clicking right here. So in addition to that, we're going to click the 11:15 time slot, and you can see that it just put in 11:15 to 11:30, and we need to put a reason in here. So let's say he's coming in for a glaucoma workup. Okay. Now, in addition to that, we can also change this time. We can make this 11:17 in the morning, and we can have that go to 11:21, just to make it weird. Okay? So as you can see, you can schedule the time slot any way you really like. So we can select the medical insurance. We can select, well, that's not really medical insurance. We can select the vision insurance and put in the proper information to validate their insurance, their service numbers, IDs, date of birth, social security numbers. Now, most of this information populated itself, their home phone rather, their work cell, and their email address. And if we have more than one doctor, you can change the doctor right here if you like. So we're going to, for now, we're going to click Save. Hopefully we have enough information. So it says that we've changed something in the appointment scheduler that doesn't match the patient's data. So I'm going to say save changes to the existing patient, which now changed that birth date to whatever I just selected. So you can see that there he is, Ron Anderson, 11:17 to 11:21 a.m. Okay? So we've made an appointment. Now, let's say we made a mistake and we want to delete this appointment. We just click the delete button here, and that would remove him from the appointment scheduler, which we're not going to do right now. So in addition to that, like I said, if the patient does call and says, I want to reschedule for a different time, well, the best thing to do would be go to the day, look for Ron Anderson here, and he wants to come in at, let's say, somewhere around here. Okay, so now he's coming in at 8:17 rather than 11:17. In addition to that, if he says, I want to come in a different day of the week, very easy to do. We can take Ron and we can move him to Tuesday. If he says, I don't want to see Dr. Decidu, I'd rather see Dr. Jones, all you have to do is click on the appointment and change the doctor here. And that should do it for how to make an appointment. We'll do the appointment scheduler setup at another tutorial.